Hi, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Houston Testing and Skill Upgradation Academy, Mumbai Center, an advanced driving trade testing and skill development facility. This center is for those who wish to upgrade their skills to international level and aim to get job ready for Middle East, Russia, Europe, US, Canada, Africa and Asia markets. This facility is located near Art Complex on Mamdapur Badwal Road in Neral, a prime location which is within 1 kilometer radius of the local railway station. Our classrooms are equipped with modern teaching tools like video modules, graphic posters, and signages, and for theory sessions, we have the best-in-class setup. Here, our trainers prepare candidates for theory as well as real-world driving techniques. Let's look at our massive training yard, which is spread over a sprawling area of 3.5 acres, where we can conduct 80 to 100 testings a day. This facility will provide candidates with hands-on driving practice in a supervised and a safe environment. All types of light commercial, medium commercial, and heavy commercial vehicles, along with passenger vehicles, are available for a complete practical experience. Candidates will experience a real-world driving experience at our center, wherein the tracks and signages are designed while keeping global standards in consideration. Our expert trainers have domestic and international experience both. With their expertise, they not only conduct a perfect evaluation of the candidates, but prepare them for driving in any country. Every candidate receives individual feedback from our experts, which boosts their confidence and enhances their skills. All our trainers are always candidate friendly. They explain candidates in their convenient language and present situation. Last but not the least, safety is our top priority. These traffic signage boards and safety posters are put up across premise for everyone's reference. You will get state-approved in-house testing facility wherein everything from written tests to practical evaluation are available at one place under one roof. Certifications are valid for multiple vehicle categories, which will help your career to reach global level. Once the candidate is done with his assessment, he appears for a face-to-face technical interview wherein employers or assessors can directly evaluate his skill levels. Technical interview rooms are fully equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, AC rooms, CCTV cameras, comfortable chairs, and one dedicated pantry with power backup DG system. Every nuance is thoughtfully designed for a hassle-free experience of recruiters and candidates. These interview rooms are designed keeping in mind the international recruitment standards so that the final evaluation process of candidates is transparent and fair. So friends, if you want to associate with a testing center which takes care of an effective assessment of your driving skill upgradation and makes you career ready, then Houston Mumbai Center is the best place for you. Our testing centers are affiliated with reputed institutions like Takamul and NSDC, ensuring internationally recognized certification for you, especially in the Middle East, Russia, Europe, US, Canada, Africa, and Asian countries. So if you want a secure, rewarding, and globally recognized career, then visit us at Houston Testing and Skill Upgradation Academy, Mumbai Center.
I am certified